Hello student. Dear student, in previous video we start to surface chemistry and some slide also we discuss absorption, absorbent, absorbate. This topic we discuss yesterday. In absorption, absorbate means material being absorbed and absorbent means material doing the absorbing. So there are two types: physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. So physical absorption, van der Waals attraction between absorbent and absorbent. The attraction is not fixed to a specific side and the absorbent is relatively free to move on the surface. And this is relatively weak reversibly absorption capable of multi-layer adsorption. And the chemical adsorption, some degree of chemical bonding between absorbent and absorbent characterized by strong attractiveness. So absorbent molecules are not free to move on the surface. There is a high degree of specificity and typically a monolayer is formed. The process is seldom reversible. An absorption equilibria, if the absorbent and absorbent are contact long enough, an equilibrium will be stabilized between the amount of absorbent and the amount of absorbent in solution. So the equilibrium relationship is described to isotherms. In the next slide, causes of absorption. So dislike the water phase means hydrophobicity, attraction to the solvent surface. So it's a van der Waals force means physical attraction, and electrostatic force means surface charge interaction, and chemical force like that pi and hydrogen bonding. In the next slide. So here surface molecules extend particular strong attractive force to their side, front and back and below. And interior inertial molecules exert weaker force in all direction like that here. So this is the inertial, all direction they are moving, and here the surface. Only the surface of these types of liquid substance the particles can moving particularly strong attractive force to their side, front and back and below means all types of sides. The next topic, types of absorption. So depending on the nature of attractive force acting between the absorbent and absorbent, so absorption can be classified as a physical and chemical absorption. ठीक है? Okay. So in physical and chemical, what is the difference? So these types of physical and chemical are called physio absorption and chemical absorption. So physio absorption means force of attraction or van der Waals force, and chemical means chemical force of attraction or chemical bonding force. And physio absorption, low enthalpy of absorption 20 to 40 kilojoule per mole, and high enthalpy of absorption is 200 to 400 kilojoule per mole. Physioabsorption, this process is observed under condition of low temperature, and chemical absorption, the process take place at high temperature. The next point, physioabsorption, it is not specific, and chemical, it is highly specific. And physioabsorption, the next point, multi-molecular layers may be formed, and chemical, generally monomolecular layer is formed. And physio, this process is reversible, and chemical, this process is irreversible. It means if some types of reaction can done, or some types of reaction in reactant are can just combine to each other and make a product, so they are in case back to the in the form of a reactant, so it is called physical or physioadsorption. And in case reactant can combine or react to each other, and after that it's make product, so these types of things are called chemical or chemical adsorption, and this is irreversible process, means product cannot back in reactant form. So this is the difference between physical or physiochemical and chemical absorption. And next video we discuss some other point of this chapter.